Okay, guys, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, right. One more time. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, awesome. So let's count our next sentence. Yeah. All the students are miserable. Oh my God. Yes. Let's see what happened next. We may have a new word here. Cell phone.
Cell phone.
You know, cell phone. Cell phone is phone. Yes, normal phone. I have a cell phone here. Yeah. Cell phone is phone also. Okay, cell phone. Yeah. So, cell phone. We will like cell phone.
Cell phone.
Yeah, we'll make action like this. Okay. Cell phone.
Cell phone.
1, 2, 3, go.
Cell phone.
Cell phone. Cell phone. Cell phone. Alright? One more time.
Cell phone.
Cell phone. Cell phone. Cell phone. One more. Cell phone. Yeah, cell phone. Next one. One student. One student. It means one student in the class. This is the class. All the students or this one student. Right? One student. Yeah. One more.
One student.
One student. Yeah. One student. Cell phone. One student. Cell phone. Awesome. So now we will come to our sentence. Let's see. One student has a cell phone. Yeah. One student has a cell phone. Has a cell phone. One student has a cell phone. One more time. One student has a cell phone. Yeah. One more. One student has a cell phone. One student has a cell phone. Yeah. So let's count to our mini story for the sentence. Are you ready?
Yes.
One more time. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. One student has a cell phone. Great.
Oh.
There's one student has a motorbike.
No.
No. There's one student has a car.
No.
No. There's one student has a garden.
No.
No. No, not. One student has a gun. So there's one student has a cell phone.
Yes.
Yes, has a phone, has a cell phone. Yeah, so what does one student in the class has?
Cell phone.
A cell phone. A cell phone. A cell phone. Right? One student has a cell phone. Yeah, so what kind of cell phone does a student has? Yeah. An iPhone 14. Yeah, an iPhone, the newest iPhone. iPhone 14. Yeah. One student has a cell phone. So, who has a cell phone?
One student.
One student. One student has a cell phone. Yeah, so what does one student bring into the class?
Cell phone.
A cell phone. A newest iPhone, right? One student has a cell phone. Yeah. So, listen to me. What is the name of the student? Tina. Yeah, her name is Tina. One student and her name is Tina. And she has a cell phone. Right? Tina has a cell phone. Yes. How does a student feel now? How does a student feel now?
Student has a cell phone.
They are miserable. Yeah, they are very scared, they are very sad, they are very upset. They are miserable. Why are the students miserable? Why are they miserable? Why? Because of the evil English teacher. Because Tony hits the student. So that's why they are miserable. But luckily, yeah, one student has a cell phone. One student has a cell phone. Yes. So, this is the aim of this mini story for this sentence. Easy, right? So, of course, I want you guys to listen to this mini story again and again until you can master every lesson, every single questions, right? Thank you very much and see you next session. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Yes.